Introduced himself first. He has my khalu huzur. He is originally from Bangladesh, nowadays living in Maryland, USA. His question, he says that there is a confusion in me for a long time regarding related to the marriage or marrying outside our Jamaat. There are some people who are doing this. So he asks the question that what should be our attitude towards them, especially in the context of the teaching of the Holy Quran, that the Quran permits us to marry within the people of the book. So in that context, how far we can keep our normal relationship with such people who marry outside the Jamaat?
Outside Ahmadiyyat and marry someone, as you call people of the book, some girl belong to the people of the book, it's permissible in Islam, and no action is taken against them by the Jamaat. But caution must be practiced, because some people outside Islam some ladies outside Islam are trained in a bad atmosphere. And all their life, they have spent a free life, and as such, they are very unfit mothers when they become mothers to bring up their children. And most often, both the wife and children are ultimately lost to that Ahmadi husband. And particularly I noticed it about American women. They are most often, not always, most often unfaithful. And they leave their husbands even after 20 years of marriage, without any cause, without any reason, and they bring up their children in the worst of manners possible. So one should not commit a suicide if it is permitted, even if it is permitted. Right?
Thank you.